Okay, guys, example number 4, it says multiply the trinomial and the binomial, and as I was saying to you guys here in class, FOIL doesn't help us here, right? Because I've got a binomial and a trinomial, okay? But distribution helps us. We take the first term in the first polynomial, multiply by everything, and then take the second term, multiply by everything, and then just combine like terms, okay? You guys are already starting on, I'm looking out here and I'm seeing the tops of all your heads because you're looking down at your paper, which is fine. You could also go backwards. I mentioned that too. You could go this way, right? And you're still going to get the same thing. All right, I'm going to get rid of that because that looks like a mess. But you're still going to get the same answer. We just write it in standard form when we're done. Okay, let's go ahead and start. I'm going to do 5t first. I'm going to do it times 3t squared. That's going to give me 15t cubed. T times t squared gives me t cubed. Okay. Then I'm going to do 5t times positive 2t gives me positive 10t squared. Easy enough. I'm almost done with 5t, but because this is a trinomial, I need to multiply that last one, so I'm going to get plus 35, and I just carry the t over. Okay? Guys, I know some of you are thinking, I wish you wouldn't use t because it looks like a plus sign. Too bad. Put that little loop at the bottom of the t. It helps. Okay? I'm not done, am I, Edward? No. I'm halfway done. I'm halfway done because I finished the first term. Now I need to do the second one, which is negative 1. That's really just going to change all the signs of these things. So negative 1 times 3t squared gives me minus 3t squared. Negative 1 times positive 2t gives me negative 2t. And then negative 1 times hello? There we go. Times positive 7 gives me negative 7. All right? Now, I need to combine terms, and I need to put it in standard form. But that's no big deal. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to notice that the one with the highest power is 15t cubed. And there are no other terms with cube. So I'm just going to scratch it off and write 15t cubed down here. Okay? Now I've got two quadratic terms. I've got 10t squared minus and a negative 3t squared. And when I combine them, I get a positive 7t squared. Done, done. Benny, I've got two linear terms. I've got positive 35t and negative 2t. That's going to give me positive 33t. Done and done. And then I have one constant left, Devin, and I'm just going to bring it down and mark it off. Okay? Now, you'll see that the result is in standard form because the power decreases by 1 each time, or it's always decreasing. And I've combined all of my like terms. I have no terms that are left to combine, and that's it. It's easy. Guys, we could do 100 terms times 150 terms. It would take us forever, and that would be kind of stupid. But we could do it. We don't do it any differently, right, than we would do this. And this is pretty easy, I think, for you guys. So, good job. Good job. I think you're ready for your homework.